Ever yawned just because someone else did? Here's what's actually going on. Yawning may help cool down your brain and bring in more oxygen when you're foggy or tired. When you see someone yawn, your mirror neurons light up, a sign of social bonding. Studies show people with low empathy, like psychopaths, are less likely to catch yawns. There's still no single answer, but yawning says more about your brain than you think. Curious minds, you've got company. Subscribe for more brain science in 60 seconds. Be honest, did you just yawn too? Drop a yawn in the comments if I caught you.